Time for work, boys and puppy. Willow, you can't come today. Willow, that's unfortunate for you. It's breakfast time. Woody's hungry this morning. Oh, Woody McGee. It's not supposed to rain till like 2 or 3, and it's only like a 30% chance.
Safe today, buddy. Easy on the knuckles. A lot of brush, but
the maple's getting a lot of brush.
yeah.
We're getting our work out today, Bubba.
Oh, Bubba. She let us park in the driveway.
This one?
Yeah. Little muddy,
Adrian's doing a trim on this oak tree. He's gonna take the weeds that are hanging over the house over here. Super muddy. This is like a telephone pole basically, so I'll just be able to climb it and limb it up all the way up and then pop the top.
Is that mud?
Yeah, it's very muddy. Is that it?
You know it.
Stop, you look like a pro.
You're on? I need the saw. It was hollow, it looked like. There's a nest. A bird's nest. It's empty.
Done.
I will. I'll bring it all. That's cool.
Today or stage it and get it tomorrow. This tree. I'm just limbing it up. Gonna finish limbing it up, pop the top, and then we're gonna roll out of here. Or this whole thing.
I'll do the whole thing.
Right here?
Yep.